Before we get on to what is business rules engine, let us first understand oecloud.io's validation context. oecloud.io supports its own validation framework, and as part of that we have seen how to implement property level validations, relational validations, and custom validations. All these validations are written inside the model definition. So that is how we develop any kind of validations that we require. So as part of this, validations can be attached at a property level. Validations can also be attached between two or more models where we establish relational context for these models. And we can also write our own custom validations using an expression language. But essentially all these validations are written inside the model definition, so therefore there is a tight coupling between the validation section and then the model itself. Now supposing that you have a context of reusing certain validations, then this validation framework may not be of great help. So this is the context where a business rules engine steps in, and then it can really help us to solve this problem. So oecloud business rule engine is a framework to write predefined and custom rules for business validations and decision making. So the idea about writing these validations and then decision making construct is to make rules that can be bound externally to the models. So therefore once a rule is developed and deployed inside an application, that can be bound to any number of models without actually rewriting the rules as part of the model definition. So that's a big advantage that we get out of this strategy. oecloud business rule engine is developed based on some standards and the expression languages. So these are Decision Model and Notation version 1.1, which is also known as a DMN specification, and FEEL. FEEL is an expression language which is popularly known as a friendly enough expression language using which we could write the rules. We will discover more about these things in the next video.